Yeah, that's what I'm talking about!
Oh,
That's my girl right there!
She's like, let's fucking go!
All right, so welcome back to Supermarket Simulator. We've been, okay.
We don't want to talk about it.
We've been going at this for a while now. If you're still enjoying these, thanks. Appreciate it, because I can't believe we've gotten into, like, I don't know, somewhere around episode 25 of building our dumb supermarket.
It's, it is an issue. Mm-hmm. It's a personal issue. Apparently there's a tablet now, which,
Like, in-game?
yeah. I don't know anything about that. And it's, kind of cheesing me off a little bit.
You don't know, you've only heard rumors of the Supermarket Simulator tablet?
It said there was a tablet update.
Who's it? What is it?
The Steam page.
Okay.
So there's a tablet update. What does that mean?
Here's a thought.
What?
Bro! How'd you do it?
I don't know.
I'm a genius.
I need a roll of paper towels.
Help me, please.
Well, what are these new eggs?
There's one that's good, and then there's ones that are good, or...
Like, thank you, Aaron.
I don't know. I've got a...
Is it just different ammunition?
I don't know, man. I got a couple of special eggs. I don't remember, honestly. I think they do. I think it bounces around or something.
Cool.
Fuck you, and fuck you, and... Nope, not gonna throw that one. And
Do it!
Jump in, and I'm fuck you, and fuck you. Got the bitch. Oh, God.
You gotta sneeze.
Dude, God bless your soul.
Thank you. I think God has better things to do, honestly.
Then bless your sneeze?
Than worry about my sneeze patterns, but... It isn't... I do appreciate the sentiment.
Would you really consider it a pattern of sneezing?
Sure.
Male patterned sneezing?
Male pattern sneezing. Dude, if God had to be called into action every time I sneezed, that'd be amazing. I mean, it would almost kind of diminish my belief in his almighty powers. Or hers.
Oh.
Oh, progressive. Who would you say is the most popular character among competitive players?
Soldier. Soldier's really popular. Winston's really good right now. Reinhardt has almost 100% pick rate.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Lucio is good. Ana. I mean, there's always going to be 6 people on a team, so... Oh, everybody left.
Hey. Good game, everybody.
Wow. All
Okay,
right.
see you later.
See if we can find a new one.
That was really funny.
They were tired of my antics.
Guys? Anyone?
So that dude just picked Farah. Fuck him.
Cool.
I'm gonna pick Soldier.
Alright.
He can go ahead and pick Farah all he wants, but I'm gonna quick pick her when it actually gets to the game. So fuck that shit.
Oh my god. You might want to disinfect this mic cover, I'm sorry.
Yeah, you okay?
Nah, I just sneezed right into it.
What happened? You get a little something in your nose?
Yeah, I just got a little dusty dust. Plus, I sneeze whenever I'm incredibly uninterested in what you're saying.
That's a tell. That's my tell, my personal tell.
That's such a dick thing to say. Sorry.
Do I stay with Lynetta or do I follow a steer this time around? She is offering twice as many smooches after all. I need to make my choice. If I want to stay with Lynetta, then I should focus on casting spells from her book.
That's 200% the amount of smooches.
Maybe I should date like a real girl. If I want to smooch a steer, then I should open my window again when the clouds clear and use the steer's book. If I try going for both, well, walking down the middle of the road is bound to get me run over. As long as
Oh, God.
I'm gonna call hospital.
somebody can take me to the doctor.
You ready to play it in?
You better believe the fucking sweet ass tits I am.
All right. Ready, go.
Oh!
Take it.
Take it.
Damn it!
Okay.
Fucking asshole.
Okay.
So this is you gotta grab a new piece for this turn. But now you can't give me one.
Okay.
I'm gonna place that one. Wow, we got the same piece. That's amazing.
Incredible. I'm gonna put it right over there.
All right, so we have to use this piece now.
Okay, and I'm gonna put it right there.
Fuck.
I placed mine. You have to hit the... You already fucked up! You placed in the keyboard must cover at least one square on the...
Time out for instructions. Time out for instructions. Time
Gotcha.
out for instructions.
So it has to...
Waste everybody's time.
You can do it any way you want.
Oh.
As long as it's color side up.
Oh. Okay. Well then, I'll put this. Oh.
I don't want this one. That was actually disgusting. Like, not even as a bit. That was like the grossest thing that we've done on this show.
Let's boogie. Am I a real boy?
I love you, Boogie Bot.
The robot crossed the road. He was programmed to do it.
Oh.
I love you.
Oh.
Thanks.
That's direct. Just right away. Right out the gate, huh?
He's a friendly robot.
Yeah, well. Red tape?
Man, these tapes are. Oh.
Hmm.
Who's making those sounds?
I don't know.
Cool.
Doop-a-doop-a-doo. That's happening in the real world, not in the game.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Someone's jostling a ladder outside or something, and it sounds an awful lot like.
I was like, why would you draw so much attention to... I was like, oh, I think he thinks it's real. Gee whiz.
That was fun.
Zibba-da-bop-bop-a-doo-dow! Yeah! Is that Goof Troop?
I guess we started.
Yeah,
I guess
yeah,
we
yeah.
started. Hello.
That's Goof Troop.
Zibbida-bop-ba-da-boo-dow. Bah. And what is it?
Yeah. Yeah.
God.
Yeah, it's like a Goof Troop. Ba-doo-ba-doo-ba-doo-doo. Bit of Goof
Kinda
Troop.
remi-
Ba-ba-doo-ba-doo-boo.
Kind of reminds me of the Nickelodeon bumper song they used to have. They're like, I'm a Ricky Tickado, I take a number one Nickelodeon.
Okay, I don't know that one.
That was, I don't know. Maybe that's an elder generational thing.
Oh yeah,
Certainly
no, that was in the ones where it was like Nickelodeon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm a dig up, beat it out, Nick. I'm a know about beat it out, Nick. I'm a Ricky Tickado, I pick a number one Nickelodeon.
Yes, okay, I do remember that. All right, I'm
Yeah, dude.
just opened up a part of my brain that was closed for centuries.
I mean, that's been happening to me lately, man. Probably because, you know, in these waning days of the Backstreet Boys reunion tour, I'm very antsy to get back outside and live life and do stuff. So a lot of these days I'm sick of reading. I'm sick of, you know, playing games at my house. I just sit there and wait, you know? And somehow that's leading to a lot of thinking about stuff that I haven't thought of in forever. And I'll have like this one like tentpole thought that brings up 50 other. Excuse me. Anyway, I'm gonna go call a hospital.
What the fuck was that, dude?
You know what it was? Do you know what it was? I'll tell you exactly what it was. It's kind of gross, though.
Yeah, I want to know.
You know when you know you have snots
Yeah.
in your nose, but you don't, and you have to sneeze, but you don't want to give the full like sneeze because you know like everything's gonna explode out of your face. So you kind of like try to like half-ass it and just like maybe I could just send this out the mouth, and you're just like, yeah. So that is exactly what just happened there.
Great, man.
It was honestly much more embarrassing the way it happened than what I was trying to prevent.
It was in the room with the MO disc. It was in here.
Okay.
Oh god, what a stressful situation to be in. Alright, cool. Get out of my dreams. Oh, what the fuck? The things are back where they were?
No.
That's bullshit, man.
Lame. So now you just have to...
Well, I just gotta go through the 2 vents again instead of just one vent.
This is an outrage.
This is a gosh darn outrage! I can't believe it! I'm fucking so pissed off right now!
Bless you, Dan. Oh, thank you, Aaron. Thanks. Nice of you to say that.
Why would you think I say bless you? I say gazoon tight.
Do you?
And first of all, I was fucking ranting and raving about something else, so...
You were. It's cool.
Obviously. Ah, shit, this wasn't the right room.
Oh, dang it.
I'm such a fucking idiot. What room was it?
Wasting my goddamn time.
I wasn't wasting your goddamn time.
I don't know. Feels like you're still wasting my goddamn time, even as we speak.
You're being so impossible.
You're driving me crazy.
Whoa, wait, whoa. You can get up on here.
It's hard to tell.
Get up on here, maybe. Get up on here. Pull. I'm pulling.
What is E?
Oh, it's X.
Oh. No, I'm
stuck.
pulling as hard as I can.
I'm stuck. Just walk backwards.
Doing it.
Oh, okay. I don't think I can hang on to this ledge. I don't think it's meant for me to hang on to. Oh, wait. Whoa. Okay. Oh. Dude, we're glitched, bro.
Okay.
Bro, we're glitched, bro.
Okay.
You gotta drop down where I'm at. Or just fall and die.
Now we're here.
Okay. That's way lower.
Started at the bottom and now we're lower.
Bro, this is what the spikes are.
Okay.
Moving spikes are.
Okay.
We ain't doing that shit. Alright, let's go. Alright, this one's easy.
What's even holding up those barrels?
Go ahead.
Okay, here we go.
Yeah. Lead the way.
1, 2, 3.
Fuck. No. Fuck. Okay. Oh. Okay. Here we go.
Here you go.
Let's go ahead and lead the way.
Okay, I'd love to.
Come on up, baby. Show me what you got.
Okay. Wait, hold on.
Yeah. Oh my god!
I'm alright. Here we go.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Oops.
Oh boy.
Sorry, the sneeze threw me off. My system's still recalibrating. It's really understandable.
Okay, here we go.
Here we go, easy peasy.
Everybody's got this. We've got this. Everybody's got
here we go,
this. All right, go ahead. Lead the way. Lead the way. Come on.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Oh fuck.
Goodness me.
Well, we can Byakuya.
Oh, Byakuya.
Original Byakuya. What's he at?
Well, he was a straight up jerkwad.
He was a jerkwad, but man, was he fun.
We sure had some good times.
Can't make an omelet without cracking a few eggs, bro. There's a yin and a yang to everything, you know, and he was the yang. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
Like I'm kind of like on the good.
Really? I would put him in neutral, but if you want to make him good.
If there was, okay, imagine this scenario.
Okay.
A game, Danganronpa 1, no Byakuya.
It wouldn't
Not as
have
fun.
It wouldn't have the spice.
Not as fun. Put him in good. Holy shit!
Call a doctor.
I've got the horse disease.
I was like, I wonder what would happen if I kept my tongue on the roof of my mouth while I sneeze.
It's like you sneeze and you just get the gates like slightly open.
That's the answer. Oh man, okay. We're good. Can we just give this dude some hay and take the $14,000 and get out of here? Ah! Oh.
Stop right there. It's so
Close?
It's so close.
Oh god.
We're so close.
Cool.
Just wait.
Alright.
Wait a while.
Alright, stop moving your legs.
What if I clicked once?
Uh-oh.
On just the right number.
Go on.
Just like that.
And, yep. Boom, boom. Nice.
All right. So I got these things on the shelves. Stop it. Stop.
I'm
Stop
sorry.
bumping things.
Stop humping things?
Bumping things.
I'm sorry.
You're always bumping.
I can't help it.
I know. It's because you're too cool.
That's why you make money.
It's because I need the party to be bumping at all times.
I hire other people to be smart for me.
That's the smartest thing you can do.
That's my curse. Wait, no! No!
What happened?
No, I'm not that smart!
Oh.
I'm too cool for that!
It's not like there's a balance. Like you add cool points and it immediately deducts from your smart
Of
points.
course it is! Haven't you ever seen Star Wars? There's a balance to everything. There's paint.
Oh, sweet. No, you need that.
What do I need it for?
Because you just opened the new section of the store.
Fuck, you're right. See, that's why I have you around. You're the smart one.
Am I?
Yeah.
Thank you. I'm very honored.
No paint in the bucket. There was just one boop.
Maybe just order some paint.
I'm not gonna order paint right now. That's a waste of my money. Oh wait, I need to label a whole new
That wouldn't be cool or smart. Oh.
Oh wait, it is already labeled yes.
No.
Okay, yeah, yes is over here.
yeah.
Okay, so I'll label this section.
Wee doggy.
Wee doggy?
I mean, isn't that like how they say?
Wee?
No. Yeah, sure. Excuse me.
Jesus!
Every time I feel a sneeze coming on, I'm like, oh, here's another awesome new opportunity to create a sound I've never made before.
There's so much to it.
I know. I just let Jesus take the wheel. It's like, whatever happens. Sneezes! I let sneezes take the wheel.
There was like detritus in that.
It was flotsam and jetsam.
Jeez Louise.
Now I can continue resting in peace. I too must abide the laws of ancient times and again merely watch from my deep slumber.
Yeah.
Except I won't be watching. I'll be sleeping. But the evil that haunts this land is not completely vanished, Spoont. I shall depart after enjoying Lulu's voice a bit longer.
You got it.
I think the gods can permit that. Yeah.
I don't care what you have to say, Turtle Man. You go do your own thing, buddy. You got
Bye,
shit
sexy Turtle Man.
got shit to do.
I like Turtle Man.
Turtle Man's he's a great dude.
Pretty fucking rad.
He's a great dude, you know?
Yeah. He's chill. He does things. He hangs out. He parties. He's alright.
I'm fucking outie, dude. Fuck the Great Bay.
Yeah.
Suck my dick.
Oh God, no! Once they bite. Where to now?
I'm going home, dude.
What do you mean?
I'm going back to Clocktone.
Oh, clock.
Get out of here.
Oh God, yeah, you're only on the second day. Boy, this has been a big week for you.
Oh wait, the Song of Soaring.
Excuse me.
God bless you, Dan.
Thank you.
Every one of you.
I get, well, there's only one. I guess we are good to go. So next time on Game Grumps, we'll be back at Clocktown, and we'll see you there.
Goodbye.
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 Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
The Jews faked the moon landing.
Bless you, Dan.